Pretty damn close. We got the exhaust on it, complete. Hey guys, just a quick update on the old 63 Project Detour. Man, am I ever getting sidetracked on this thing. So under the hood, what do we got? We got our Amazon headers. Remember, if you buy those, they don't come with the right bolts for the headers to mount to the heads. So I had to buy those. Those are Felpro plugs, wires. This is the Amazon radiator I picked up. So this is a piece I picked up from Summit. It's an adapter to go from the 1 1/4 to 1 1/2, and then this is for the steam port. So this is on there as well. This same stuff as the other side, nothing real spectacular. Inside, the fourth time was a charm with the harness. They finally got it right. I got it run through the firewall here, and then up across the top behind the glove box, and drops down here. Now CJ, he still has a little bit of work to do here. I'm not too sure what he had going on, but this is our fuel pump relay. I'm not sure where he was going to tie this in. This will be our OBD2 port, and then this is for our drive-by-wire pedal, which is over there. That's our drive-by-wire pedal. I will have to get that bolted up against the firewall there somewhere at some point. Down here we have our fuel pump. So this is our fuel pump here. This is our regulator. So the idea is it draws from the fuel tank into this guy, into the regulator. Anything above 58 psi, it just kicks right back to the tank itself, and then this will feed the fuel rail. So hopefully that works out as well as I hope it will. So one of the big things we've been waiting on is getting our PCM flash. We had a couple people kind of offered to help out, and you know, people get busy and stuff comes up, whatever. Anyway, I hired a guy I can't do by myself. I try to YouTube it, but yeah, it just goes over my head. I don't know this stuff. Right?
Yeah, it was a lot of time on YouTube figuring out how and what program and
yeah,
what cable and yeah. So basically all I'm doing right now is going through all your DTC codes, everything that'll send a trouble code to the check engine light. So it lists all your sensors out here, and then I go through and just tell it what it can and can't read and what will and will not be there.
And what kind of things are we taking out?
So we're taking out rear O2s because all your correction will be off your fronts now. And we're taking out your evap system and your anti-theft system. That way it won't be shutting off your ignition coils or your injectors when you go to start it. Along with EGR, if I didn't say that.
Cool.
So it's just a matter of telling it not to report any of this. No.
What other things do other people get shut off?
That's about it, really. I mean, it depends how custom you're going with it. I mean, if you're not running the throttle body and stuff like that, we can go through and shut off all your sensors for your throttle body. If you're going carbureted, we can turn off a lot of stuff like that too. So basically just going through and turning off everything for the secondary O2s, so catalyst system, threshold, everything like that for those O2s. And then we go through and take out all the evap. So even, because I mean, nobody likes the evap system anyways.
Oh yeah, evap system. Hate that.
Yeah. Well, it's just a lot more to hook up that's not necessary, right?
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
I mean, why bother if you don't actually need it? So, just a whole lot of clicking.
That's pretty cool. And that's the setup up there, eh? So it runs out of back to your computer, and there's
yeah, so this is my test bench. I've got an OBD2 port on that I plug into. It's powered off a 12-volt source, fused, and then right into the computer.
Very cool. I hired a guy. He came by and he flashed 2 of them for me. So this is for this guy, and this is for the 68 GMC over at iPull. So I got that one pre-flashed, and this one's going to be ready to go anytime now. There's also a sale on the weekend on seats. So I'm going to be painting this interior that fawn color, that tan or whatever. So I think that seat will go quite nicely in there. Picked this one up just for an extra to have, because these gray seats with the armrest, that's an OBD seat, in case you didn't know. I'm a fan of them. My buddy Jeff kind of got me onto these things, and kind of glad he did, because I like the way they look, I like the way they feel. They sit low, they install nice on these trucks. They also install nice on the 67 to 72 trucks. I don't know about the square bodies, honestly why not, but I don't really know. But they're a nice seat. At any rate, that's where I'm at. Unfortunately, it's fly day, so I don't have a lot of time. So this thing's going to be another set of days off before I get it running. But when I come back, it won't. Should get it running on the first day back. Now that I have the PCM flashed, I'm out of excuses. So thanks for sticking around. If you hung around this long, do me a favor and think about subscribing. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks.